Hey Jake, I saw you at the gym yesterday. You're really making progress.
Hey Lena, thanks. I've been training hard, but I realized that just going to the gym isn't enough.
I agree. Exercise is great, but without a good diet, it's hard to see real results.
Exactly. I used to work out a lot, but I was still eating junk food and I didn't see much change.
That's super common. Your body needs the right fuel to build muscle and burn fat.
Now I'm trying to eat more protein, like eggs, chicken, and Greek yogurt. It helps with muscle recovery.
That's smart. I eat a lot of protein too. I also include vegetables, fruits, and healthy carbs like oats and sweet potatoes.
I've cut back on soda and fried food. I drink a lot more water now too.
Water is so important, especially when you're sweating a lot during workouts. It helps with hydration and digestion.
Do you take any supplements?
Just a protein shake after training. I prefer to get most of my nutrients from real food. What about you?
Same here. I try to keep it natural. I've also started meal prepping on Sundays so I don't eat whatever I find during the week.
That's a great habit. It helps you stay consistent and avoid fast food.
Do you ever have cheat meals?
Of course, usually on Saturdays. But I try not to go too crazy. Balance is everything.
Yeah, I still enjoy pizza now and then, but not every weekend like before.
That's the spirit. Food should be enjoyable, but also support your goals.
Since I started eating better, I've had more energy, I sleep better, and I recover faster.
That's the power of clean eating. It really boosts your results at the gym.
Honestly, I think nutrition is 70% of the work and training is the other 30%.
I believe that too. You can train hard every day, but if you're eating poorly, it's like canceling your own progress.
So true. Now I see why people say abs are made in the kitchen.
Exactly. And if you ever need healthy recipes or tips, I can send you some.
That would be awesome. Thanks, Lena. We should meal prep together sometime.
Deal. And maybe hit the gym after. Teamwork makes the dream work.
You got it.